Travel within the belly.
Yes.
Watch out, Cave Valley.
We are home.
So for those of you who come from Cave Valley, I'm going into Cave Valley right now. This is Cave Valley Police Station. I'm about to change because if you want to go to the police, you have to go way up this mountain right here because the police station is all the way up this hill. You see it? So you have to fit to go complain. See there?
Fit like figure.
It's a very strategic point because down here is where you have the city, so police are watch you. So you know, hear about no crime around Cave Valley. Police are see everything what you do around here. You see it? Don't come to Cave Valley with your foolishness. Let me reverse and try drive out of here. For somebody come tell me about my club. Alright, take on the road now. 1, 2, 3, here we go. I'll give you 5 minutes to Cave Valley, or 10. If I get excited.
See, you about to get the film bug.
Restaurant and bar, Cave Valley. Cave Valley, Cristiano to Cave Valley, Cristiano to Cave Valley.
Where's the Christiana now?
Umber cloth. Oh, you say for turn. It's second, second, right?
So then clear.
Oh, yeah.
If we're going in the wrong way, I'm sure it will be wrong with us.
Alright, just kill him. I don't want it up on camera because you're most wanted.
Most wanted. Yo.
Jamaica is therapy for me. Like, I forgot how to laugh and make jokes for years. Y'all know that.
L. Shkabang. Yo.
8.5 kilometers.
So I right where I go? Oh, it's like it's in my DNA. Papa, the big July Isle I go up.
You would not left the big July Isle, friend.
Oh, alone mount a cousin that then if you could drive right down here so if you could buy that and if you roll back up this hill here. You know, forget the one.
Yeah, so.
I'm not forgetting it. I'm going to take being nice of your ears. All me see is not fish them and put them down ready for Friday. I will tell you if you bring your oil cup and you come up here, I bet you top a bar and drink though. You beg swim man, everybody around here hungry and you wait that. Ah, you have to go back down the road. Jesus Christ. See the people, big up to the Cave Valley people, them come from a real bush. Not around here after the little town. Real bush. Oh, I think I come from bush.
Watch out, they drive over the white line. Driving right next to me.
My God.
Watch out.
On the wrong side of the road and all.
Oh, so.
Then if you go chop down and farm up them here land here.
Work.
You're back off a chung like a.
I broke my board kind of city.
Whenever you reach 50 your life done. And I lie no because them fit you know.
They fit like figure.
Them fit. Pretty round here though, watch out. Like how them plant up them here. And them plant them here. Pretty up them place. Manchester, Clarendon, them call run as a Galchester, not Manchester. We don't know Manchester.
Yo.
We're not on any Manchester out here. Galchester.
Galchester, the disease collector.
You're bright. I bet you also that about Westmoreland though. Warren, Torrent, Westmoreland, where you talk about Galchester, the disease collector. So, Papa.
What are you waiting for? Get out what? Where are you going?
You want to come back up in front?
No, you want to get out of the car.
You want to get out of the car? I'm not out of the car you want to get. You want to come from around the back. Let him out.
Go out there.
That. Burning that. Yo.
Make granny, hold on.
And his diaper is about to start leaking or it's already started leaking.
In on town. We're passing Clarendon. Walk, ride, and drive safely. You hear that? In and town. We're in Clarendon.
Alright, turn him the other way, please.
Big up to Merciless the Warrendon from Clarendon. The girl them shaped like square around here.
Yo.
But it's okay.
So they like them round on this side.
Your face thing. You see, you're glad to jump in. Yeah, wait, no worry. Maybe have me commentary when I drive down the west later or tomorrow. Stay tuned for the Westmoreland commentary. Coming right up. This is my journalist voice. No man, alright, in and town, we're passing through. You're looking pretty nice, pretty nice. I like your buildings and houses. She look decent. She got a square body. Alright, auntie. Come out of the road. I think I call a little man up.
Milani, where are you going, little girl? Watch out.
I'm exploring.
She's about to hit your head.
My baby exploring. Baby name buy gum yesterday?
Yes. You want gum? And you do I'll make you more hungry and more even more dry.
No man, the gum now make me more dry. You know, not give me nothing. I can't take no chances. You have change, Papa? You need me to stop so you can change them?
No, you can't.
There's not 2 railways. We go to past.
McCoy's Road in and Town, Clarendon.
Hold up your tablet.
McCoy.
Oh.
Banana palm tree. Around here, them just dash a couple people the other day, man. In and Town.
You 4 people then?
Yeah. So boy. You need some fixing, pairing. In and Town, Clarendon to Christiana well, let me left that one, the other one. No argument. Oh, God, that's a restaurant. Funeral are gone. This is a funeral procession you're seeing here. This is the funeral. They said only 20 people are allowed. I just saw about 20 cars.
Come, guys, sit down.
You see, lady were in her top of it though. Sing.
Yeah.
She not afraid she lose her life.
Sit here, no.
Work, she work, not true? That's another 8 minutes already. We're in Ainton Town. The air up at Ainton Town clean, you know. Especially if you live way up ahead. That's the day amount of up this up. Where you live up this up? We up this up.
Oh, they started to farm here.
Pussy Claude. You dead? Me Gurney.
I just heard guys say it.
What?
What you said?
You are leaving Ainton Town. Welcome to Borough Bridge. Yeah. Out here, Rastaman look serious till me gone. Alright. Currently, I don't know where I'm at.
No idea, no.
You can cut off the rest of your hair, brother. Because Well, I back peel out, you know what you ask? Yeah, line up in front for.
Gift to Robin.
Yeah, you're up on camera, so nobody thief nothing to that. Go on, mummy, I'm not lick it down. The hectic out here, I'm trying to go home though.
No liquor sign, no nothing to tell where we there.
I'll tell if you ask the woman there was 40.
That's an American car.
Ask somebody. No, you cause it, cause no nobody trail me. Yo, why don't you went on top? Excuse me, do you know where this is? Ask her what I told her name.
I mean, I taxi
Hey man, so if you're up on Instagram, you follow you. See? You see up on Facebook and Instagram.
Missing teacher. Oh, I didn't want the teacher were missing. Oh yeah, where she come from?
He teacher missing. Our man.
She teacher babe.
Our man missing there.
I want woman, I want little girl missing.
And somebody else that because 2 days ago them put out our man missing.
Really? Well, then put out someone little girl.
A man teacher.
I want woman missing. You never see it?
KFC.
I thought you saw it.
Where's the KFC, pussy?
Right there.
Alright, cause you need to speak up about these things, you know, cause
Where's
Right
the
there.
KFC?
that's a flying though. No, we're not doing it.
The line is always long at KFC.
Yeah, babe, we not do that.
You sure
Oh,
say
that
you
is
know?
the same.
Me wait till tomorrow for KFC. I'm leaving fast though.
KFC,
Ask the girl what I told you.
excuse me, I want to talk to your mom.
Brownstone.
A Brownstone wheeler? Alright,
Thank you.
Brownstone.
You put up your window?
Yeah.
Brownstone! We're in Brownstown. When it comes to Brownstown, we did last before and they know it's right with it. I have to ask one of the locals. Babe, straight?
Straight, babe.
Oh, I remember that song.
You remember it, Tosi?
Yeah, the cool East.
Cool Oasis. Them have bathroom and them something.
Oh my god, I will pass it.
You need to go to the bathroom? You want me to go back out there?
No, why?
No, you shit up yourself in there.
I pee the one.
But I'm not clean you up.
You good, girlie? I say you good, girlie, and guy scream.
Guys, scream out for the girls.
Yo.
This journey looks suspicious. Okay, so the ride gets a little bumpy. The video might have shaky footage, but this is keeping it authentic. Authentic. You want your audience to feel the shake in the road in it, as if they're driving down the same road with you. It's a lot of potholes. Good, babe. Just squeeze and hold. good exercise.
I did like when you're pregnant, you know, with a baby of myself.
True.